Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to blur face in Capcut PC. So let's begin. First of all, you need to drag down your image or video to the Capcut timeline. And here you need to right click on the image or video, then copy, then paste it here. After that, here you need to go to effects, and in effects you need to search blur and choose this effect and drag down to the image or video. After that, here you need to right click on the image, then click on mask, and in mask click on circle. Here you can see that I have indeed blurred my specific object here. You can blur any part of an image or video using this way. I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Bye.